That day I have decided I will be one day appearing before this court as a lawyer.
So, Amit, tell me, how did you come into this role or this line which you have chosen for yourself, advocate? You always wanted to become an advocate?
No,
Good evening.
good evening.
You belong to which place, Amit?
Yeah, hello.
Yes, you belong to which place, Amit?
Oh, yeah. I am from Calcutta.
Okay. And what is your profession?
Yeah, profession. Yeah, by profession I am an advocate.
Okay, great.
Yeah, yeah,
So nice to see you. And
yeah.
how is the COVID situation there in your in Kolkata?
Ma'am, what I said can't explain.
Okay,
Situation is very worst. Yeah,
okay,
no beds at all in our hospitals and private nursing homes all over there.
okay,
But our CM Mamata Banerjee she's trying
okay,
after election. She's trying to transform all the stadiums
okay,
in our Calcutta from stadium to COVID hospital.
okay.
Because before elections, all our stadiums and schools
Hmm.
uh, occupied by the all central force.
Okay,
And the election is over, and they left the place. And after election and after announcing the results, Mamata Banerjee announced that she is trying to transform all the stadiums from stadium to Kolkata.
okay. So let's hope that everything gets normal and we are all fine and safe. That is what we can all pray for.
And you are from?
I'm from Gujarat.
Oh, you are from Gujarat. And what about your area?
Sorry.
What about your area? What is the situation in Gujarat?
It was bad, but now everything is under control.
Yeah.
Cases are coming down, and people are taking vaccines, and it is still the cases are there. People are not following the restrictions which they need to follow. They all go out without a mask. They all don't follow all the norms which they need to follow. So that is what is the situation. But still, it is better than what it was say 15-20 days back.
Actually, this problem is happening in each and every one.
Yes, each and every state is facing the
Yeah,
same problem. Yes.
you don't restrict the person from doing the same thing. In and everywhere, in and every state, the people are doing the same thing. They are
Yes.
using their masks over the chin. They are protecting their chin like that.
Hmm.
And I intend to speak anything to anybody in front of me.
Yes.
They just asked upon you. Who are you?
Okay.
Yeah, that's the main thing. I
So
don't
they,
know what is going on.
yes, they don't follow. They don't know what it is, and mostly the perception is that only rich people are those who are getting COVID.
Yeah,
So we had gone out and we asked the person who was carrying the fruits and everything. We told him that you are not wearing a mask. He
yeah.
says, हम लोगों को नहीं होता है, वो अमीर लोगों को होता है.
वही तो बात इधर भी चल रहा है.
Yes. So that is what it is. Okay, Amit, tell me, have you heard about bucket list?
Yeah, I have attended which in one of my sessions. I
Okay,
had
you have already
yeah,
done that. Okay, how
yeah.
many sessions have you taken with Clapping Go now?
I think it's about 25 or 26.
Very good. That's good.
And
So, are
one
you
one
enjoying
thing is,
yourself?
yeah.
Yes.
One thing I must uh, tell you. Whatever I have decided, I have a consistency regarding that aspect.
Okay.
And then nowadays, what is going on in our court, all the courts, not in our states, in the other states also, all courts shut it down. And all courts have passed a resolution, including the Supreme Court, not to enter any advocates or litigants or the strangers in our court premises. Because we are that category like a super student.
Yes.
Because from 9:30 to around till 11:30 or 10:30, when we are in our chamber, we used to meet the several people.
Yes.
That's why. And we don't know who are coming with me or who are coming to meet with me for their problem and what they have.
Yes, exactly. You would not know if they are carrying COVID or not COVID. They will not screen themselves, and it would be difficult for you then to, take care of yourself. You will not come to know how it has spread and what has happened.
That's why we are in the category of super spreader, and we stopped all. And there is a very sad
But you
news.
can take online sessions. You can take online consultations. And you can deal with that kind of situations on phone.
We have that type of option, but we are practicing in lower court, district court. That's why people what they used to do, they used to come to you and they intend to state everything before you in our lower court. But if I am practicing in high court, there is some higher level of matters over there.
Okay.
But it
yes, I understand that district court, you will not be able to deal with them online. You will have to speak to them, you will have to meet them, and then only you can solve their problems or solve their case.
And not only that problem, most of them don't have the option to meet through online system or like that.
Okay. Yes, they would not have that infrastructure.
Would not have that.
Okay, great. So Amit, tell me, how did you come into this role or this line which you have chosen for yourself, advocate? You always wanted to become an advocate?
No, there was a story,
Okay.
I have stated it, I have told it in earlier 2 or 3 tutors.
Okay.
And it's a lovely story.
So if you want, okay, fine, I would like to listen to it.
No problem. In the year 1992, I left my native in East Midnapur.
Okay.
I've
been to Haldia. We have stayed there.
Oh, nice. Nearby Haldia.
Yes. Because you said yes. Okay.
Yeah. And I left my native because at that time my father's financial condition was not good.
Okay.
And from that place, I have joined a senior lawyer as a clerk for 1 day.
Okay.
Yeah, and that I remember these days, that day, when the senior lawyer spoke to me, picked up my briefcase. And at that moment, I told to him, I won't. And the senior lawyer told me, left your job. And I left for 1 day and for few hours. And that day I have decided I will be 1 day appearing before this court as a lawyer.
Okay.
And
but why did he ask you to leave? Why did he ask you to leave?
And he told me that pick up his briefcase.
Okay, pick up the briefcase for him. Okay. And you did not do it. You did not do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And the next week I have joined office surrounded the High Court in Calcutta.
Okay.
And on the same month, I have joined my law college.
Okay.
And parallelly, I have completed both things.
Okay.
And one incident there was there. That person, uh, at his daughter's marriage, he sent me a invitation card, marriage
Okay.
invitation card, where I wrote it down in his own hand, Amit Kumar Chana, advocate, Alipur district judge, and sent it to his clerk. And I
Mm-hmm.
attended his daughter's marriage,
Very good.
and yeah, and that senior person introduced with her family members. They see that guys, he for one day, for few hours, joined me as a clerk, and now he is attending my
Daughter's
daughter's
marriage.
marriage as an advocate. Yeah.
So nice. So nice.
Yeah.
So Amit, here you said after you left this person's office, I have joined nahi aayega, I had joined. आपका past
Oh,
tense
yeah.
नहीं है. So it
Yeah.
would be I had joined the law college and I had joined the office just in front of the court.
Yeah.
So that was only one observation, and otherwise you were okay. But that you really feel nice when you have achieved something and you just stand in front of them and perform it. And have you ever
Yeah.
fought a case against like he's in the other side of the table and
No,
you
no,
are
no.
on this side?
Actually, the senior is practicing in High Court, and I am practicing in District Court in the same area. I am in Alipur District Judge, and he is practicing in Calcutta High Court. More or less,
Okay.
so how much? 6 or 7 kilometers far from my court. And like nowadays, he is like my uncle, and he advised
Of
him
course.
each
Of
and every
course.
case. Yeah.
But it was very nice on his part also to call you for his daughter's marriage. So
Yeah.
he remembered and he saw that you have progressed and you have done so well in your life.
Yeah, yeah.
Very good, very nice.
And why,
Okay.
why I am joining this apps, this Clappingo
Okay.
sessions, because we are practicing in our district court,
Okay.
and most of our colleagues and judges, at the time of moving a matter, we are using only Bengali language. But all papers we have prepared in the English. But at the time of moving, all the people, all the advocates and judges, they are using only Bengali. And nowadays, and I am practicing all over the courts in our West Bengal. And nowadays, I am trying to extend my practice field in the other states.
Okay.
And what is happening with the other courts in the other states? The people, the advocates, they are only using their local or regional language. And I have the only option to use in English.
English.
That's why I am here to be a fluent speaker for the
But you
purpose
speak
of
well. You speak well.
I don't know, but
Yes.
I have told earlier, whatever am I today for you, for you people, for you guys, only for the tracking.
Yes, they are doing a
And
good job. They are doing a
yeah.
great job. And I also enjoy whenever I meet somebody who are bright and who can speak well. We also enjoy on the other side of the table.
At the first video, when I have joined this Clappingo, at that very moment, at the time of speaking, just I have started to stammering and I have no words. How can I express myself? And so many problems are there. I know today also I have made some mistakes, but yeah, I can get rid of from this.
No, you speak well, and a few mistakes are acceptable when you are in a flow, when you are talking. But yes, once you realize that these are your mistakes, you will be able to do well. Okay,
But
Amit.
one question is for you.
Yes.
Your profession and how do you find Clappingo and you have joined this apps? If
See,
you
I'll tell
can.
you. Yes, yes, sure. I used to work long time back, and
Yeah,
then from 20 years, from
yeah.
last 20 years, I'm doing the spoken English.
Oh my
I'm
God.
taking it for everyone. One of our neighbor wanted to go abroad and they wanted to learn English. So I never knew how to start. But then it started, and then my journey towards spoken English started. And then I was also the part of Teach India program. I don't know if it is there in Kolkata. It is a Times
Yeah.
of India's initiative where British
Okay.
Council people they teach us. So that is how I have been taking classes off and on. I take IELTS classes also,
Oh
and
yeah.
I have been in this field for so long now, and I enjoy this profession. I enjoy this profession.
But
So I
after seeing you, I can remember my those days, and like my I am in front of my auntie.
so okay, great, great to
Yeah,
know.
yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Nice to meet you. Yeah, I must say
yes,
nice.
same here, Amit.